Lucia and the Razzly Dazzly Wemberry Pies. This story by Karen Hill was based on the characters from Max Lucado's You Are Special. It will be read by London Read Alouds. No pies? Lucia gasped. We have to have Razzly Dazzly Wemberry Pies for the Wemberry Festival. All the berry pickers, washers, bakers, and servers pointed to one another and said, "Let them do my job." Lucia frowned. She was in charge of the Wemberry Festival, and without pies, there would be no festival. The pickers had decided not to pick. We want to be servers. The berry washers whined. We want to be bakers. The bakers grumbled. We want to be washers. The server Wemmicks griped. And we want to be pickers. What's wrong? Punchinello asked Lucia. There are no pies because the Wemmicks are not getting along. What should I do? Ask Eli, Punchinello said. Eli, the wise woodcarver, had made the village of Wemmicksville and all the wooden people who lived there. He loved each Wemmick. Lucia and Punchinello hurried up the hill to Eli's workshop. Eli, how can I get the Wemmicks to work together? Lucia asked. The woodcarver spoke softly. Perhaps they need to know that I made them each different on purpose. If they all do what they do best, they can have fun working together, and the festival will be the best ever. Back in Wemmicksville, Lucia called all the Wemmicks together. Here is the new plan, she announced. You can each try a different job. Pickers and servers will change jobs. Bakers and washers will trade places. Yes! Yes! Shouted the Wemmicks as they hurried to their new jobs. The servers went to the berry fields to pick, but the berries kept sliding off their forks. Uh-oh. We are better servers than bakers, the servers said. When the baker Wemmicks tried washing, they used hot water instead of cool water. The berries were ruined. Oh no, we are better bakers than washers. When the washers tried to bake pies, they forgot to add the sugar. Yuck! We are better washers than bakers, the washers said. And as the picker Wemmicks waited and waited for pies to serve, they practiced serving. But they kept dropping the plates and losing the forks. Oops, we are better pickers than servers, the pickers said. The pickers, washers, bakers, and servers ran to find Lucia. We want to go back to our old jobs, they said. We want to do what Eli intended for us to do. And they hurried off to make lots and lots of Razzly Dazzly Wemberry pies. The festival workers had learned an important lesson. Eli had made them different on purpose. Some were good at picking, some were good at washing, some were good at baking, and others were good at serving. Soon, all the Razzly Dazzly Wemberry pies were ready for the best part, eating. And every Wemmick in Wemmicksville agreed. It was the best Wemberry festival ever. My friends, I hope you enjoyed reading Lucia and the Razzly Dazzly Wemberry Pies. This story by Karen Hill was based on the characters from Max Lucado's You Are Special. Original animation designed by Impact Productions and read by London Read Alouds. Don't forget to like and subscribe.